Welcome to Cooking Shit with Sean. Today we're making meatloaf 3 ways. Meatloaf cupcakes, meatloaf donuts, and whatever this fucking thing is here. Meatloaf is fucking boring. Might as well make it weird. What do you think of it, my dear? Yeah, I knew you'd love it. Let's make this shit. Okay, first things first, we gotta make the fucking mashed potato frosting. I use Yukon Gold potatoes, but use whatever the fuck you want. I'm not the boss of you. Anyway, if you need instructions on peeling, then turn this off and go buy a damn TV dinner. Quarter them like a fucking samurai and shit. And don't cut your finger off, dumbass. Wifey Poo's gonna cook some Instapot fucking artichokes, and aren't we fucking adorable? As Julia Child always said on her cooking show, "Oh, I like to get fucked up when I cook shit." Look at Kristen trying to wink here. She doesn't know how to wink. Nice try, dear. Okay, enough fucking around. We're gonna dice some cremini mushrooms. Okay, a little more fucking around. Little JMO, little chaser. Okay, that's it for realsies. Let's get to fucking cooking. Okay, we're dicing a sweet yellow onion. If you don't like onion, then just don't fucking use it. No one wants to hear you crying about it and shit. Anyway, here's how I do onions. Like that. Do yours however the fuck you want. I like sauteed mushrooms in my meatloaf because... Alright, moving on. Boil them taters in salted water. If one falls to the floor like that and no one sees it, then it didn't happen, so just throw it back in there. You're welcome for the fucking quantum physics lesson. Alright, saute the fucking onions and mushrooms. Have you ever heard of the Schrödinger cat experiment? It's a paradox of quantum superposition. My version is called Schrödinger shit. If I put a lid on this shit, is it in a superposition of being both cooked and raw? If you don't get it, well then, welcome to the fucking club. Reality is weird. You know what else is fucking weird? That everything in material reality is basically cooled, congealed stardust, and this fucking mudball planet evolved meat bits that woke up to be able to be aware of their own fucking awareness, and that meat is us. Oh, and we're putting some cow and pig meat up in this bitch too, so... Well, anywho, we need some fucking fire-roasted tomatoes in our loaf. Look at this, looks like a fucking brain. You know another weird fucking thing? Did you know science cannot find anything in brain function that explains consciousness? What the fuck, right? I love a goddamn mystery. What were we doing? Oh yeah. Throw some eggs and breadcrumbs in this shit. They're binders. I don't know how much, however fucking much you want. Look at this, looks like jizz. Whoever stocked the store shelves got a bit excited. So I had a fucking epiphany. You know that au jus sauce for French dip sandwiches? Well, I thought, why don't motherfuckers use the powder mix as a meat seasoning? So I fucking tried it, and bam, fucking amazeballs. Just use half of it, though. It's strong shit. What's that, dear? You want to do a shot? Well, okay, you're the boss. Don't judge, fuckers. I'm on vacation and shit. By the way, just go ahead and assume I salt and pepper fucking everything, because this shot's only going to be interesting once. And, ooh, it burns! Anyway, that shit's done, cool it off, and your loaf is only as good as the shit you put in it, like this shit here. And, oh, what's up there, Schrödinger's cat? How much chuck could a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck was chucked into a bag of dicks? Hey, potato, you done? Yep, that's what I thought, bitch. Okay, drain them, you know how, it's not rocket science. Mush them up, salt and pepper, butter and sour cream. Okay, the sauce, fucking ketchup, brown sugar, old hickory, smoked salt, pepper, stir that shit, done. Boob light. Okay, mix this shit into that shit, and you can also use this meat to, you know, practice stuff, like coaxing earthworms out of the mud for fishing bait. Wait, what? What'd you think I was talking about, sickos? You know exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, make your fucking meat donuts, and then make some fucking meat cupcakes, and then you know what to do. Okay, cook at 325 for 25 minutes, put your taters in a fucking Ziploc, brush the ketchup shit on, make a little albino tater turds on them, and don't forget that guy. Okay, eat it. How is it? Good? Good. Alright, get the fuck out of my house. Toodaloo.